guys, welcome to bestsublimation.tv. I'm Katrina, and today I would like to introduce this new portable color printers. Unlike printers only can print on papers in the office, they can be used in a variety of applications and a wide range of materials, such as decorations for festivals, name badge, fan coaster, can print combinate on the t-shirts, notebooks, tote bags, etc. And they are ultra light and portable, so you can lay down your design anywhere. The detachable ink cartridge makes it easy to replace, and it's durable for around 415 full pages of printing, and connect via Wi-Fi, so their simple process is easy for all ages. Okay, let's print on some materials and see how it comes out.